10:12 now. Well, a new streaming series has everybody talking about Italian beef. So Cody, the Sicilian star, is standing by with how you can enjoy.
I'm from southern Sicily. Have you guys seen The Bear on Hulu? It's amazing.
Huh.
It's supposed to be a comedy. It's not a comedy, but it's really good. It's really good. Okay. And the deal is this. They make these beautiful sandwiches in there, and apparently these sandwiches have been so popular, they're actually doubled their sales since the show. Joining us right now, Joe Buonavolanto, joining us now to tell us all about this. What makes these sandwiches so magical, my friend?
Oh, man. You know what? It's got to be the flavor. It's a different type of flavor. It's very unique to Chicago. Yeah, and it's just kind of like our own personal spin on our signature sandwich.
Now, did you guys, did they give you a little heads up that the show was going to be on? Or did you just start seeing the sales go nuts and nobody knew what was happening?
Yeah, no, you know what? We started to see kind of trailers coming out for the show, and we started to see what it was based around. So it got us really excited. Yeah, and then as soon as the show came out, people just kind of started coming in more and more, and yeah, the word just spread. So it's been really good.
Now, what do you have there in front of you, my friend? I see these buckets of deliciousness.
Yes, so this is our signature Italian beef, but this is our buckets that we sell in retail. So we're all in Chicago. We're in a couple other Midwest states, and we're heading our way to the West Coast, Denver, Nevada, California, Arizona. So yeah, this is where you can get it in the grocery stores. Make it at home.
I just happen to live in California right now. I'm very excited about this news that you just broke. How do I make one of these sandwiches properly?
So best way to make the sandwich is obviously to start with our product, the Buona beef. So really, you're just going to kind of heat it in the oven, or I'm sorry, in the stovetop. But it's really all about how you prepare the sandwich. So let me build one for you.
Okay.
Starts with the bread.
Yeah.
French bread is preferred. We use Toronto French bread. We've been using it since we started in 1980. So that's our go-to. But whatever you can find. So what I'm going to do is just kind of stir up the gravy a little bit.
Oh, look at that.
The beef going.
It's like it's swimming.
I'm just going to build it right on the bread. You want to get all that juice in there because that's where a lot of the flavor comes from.
Okay.
So just like that.
Are you a bread dunker too? Do you like to dunk the bread into the juice?
You know what? I'm not a bread dunker. I know some people like that. The way that I like it is actually the way that we do it at our stores. So we make the sandwich just how it is, and then we take a little bit of extra gravy and we put it on the top.
Okay.
Dunking can make it a little soggy.
Yeah, dunking makes it soggy, like you're in some sort of competition to eat a bunch of those.
Yeah, you know, some people like that. I like to have the bread kind of intact. But yeah, there it is.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Now, I noticed, I was on your website, and I noticed, and I've got it pulled up on my computer right here, that you guys are hiring. Is this true? You're hiring?
We are hiring, yes. Okay. Yes, we are.
Because see, here's the thing. I don't want you to pay me in cash. What I want you to do is pay me in those deep-fried rice balls. That's what I want.
Ooh, we could probably work that out.
If people want more information about what the proper sandwich looks like and how to get your products, what do they need to do, my friend?
They could go to Buona.com. We have a shop and ship page on there where we have all these retail tubs that you can get sent to you, and then also a list of retailers that we're sold at. Like I said, nothing in the West Coast yet as far as retailers, but we're headed that way. So online is the way to go. BonaShopandShip.com.
I will be at the stores clamoring for it as soon as it gets here, my friend. And I'll send you my resume about the rice balls. All right, thanks, man. Bye.
Take care.